Namo Namaha. From the last lesson, we have started learning different types of samasas one by one. Now listen to these sentences carefully. Suryodayaha bhavati. Sasya purnam kshetram sundaram bhati. Vrukshashritaha khagaha kalaravam kurvanti. Karyakushalaha krushrivalaha anandamagnaha tishtati. Now, compare these sentences with those in the next set. Suryasya udayaha bhavati. Sasyena purnam kshetram sundaram bhati. Vruksham ashritaha khagaha kalaravam kurvanti. Karye kushalaha krushrivalaha anande magnaha tishtati. The highlighted words in the first set are the examples of Tatpurusha Samasa. And in the second set, those Samasa words are split. Did you notice how a Samasa conveys wider meaning in a smaller form? Suryasya udayaha, Suryodayaha. Sasyena purnam, Sasya purnam. Vruksham ashritaha, Vrukshashritaha. Karye kushalaha, Karya kushalaha. Anande magnaha, Ananda magnaha. While splitting this type of samasa, you need to use a particular case or vibhakti of the first component. Suryasya udayaha, Suryodayaha. Here, Suryasya is Shashti vibhakti. Sasyena purnam, Sasya purnam. Here, Sasyena is Tritiya vibhakti. Vruksham ashritaha, Vrukshashritaha. Here, Vruksham is Dvitiya vibhakti. Karye kushalaha, Karya kushalaha. Here, Karye is Saptami vibhakti. In this way, you need to split these samasas using a suitable vibhakti. And that's why this type of Tatpurusha Samasa is known as Vibhakti Tatpurusha Samasa. Let's understand it through some more examples. Videshagata mata griham agacchati. Ruchiraha Kalidasa rachitam meghadutam pathati. Mandire danapatram sthapitam asti. Sarvam jagat rogamuktam bhavatu. Marge ekaha ashmakhandaha patitaha. Pitamahi sarvada grihasthita. In such examples, you need to use specific vibhakti of the first component while splitting samasa. Videsham gata, Videshagata. Videsham is Dvitiya. Kalidasena rachitam, Kalidasa rachitam. Kalidasena is Tritiya. Danaya patram, Danapatram. Danaya is Chaturthi. Rogat muktam, Rogamuktam. Rogat is Panchami. Ashmasya khandaha, Ashmakhandaha. Ashmasya is Shashti. Grihe sthita, Grihasthita. Grihe is Saptami. In this way, you need to see the context and make use of vibhaktis while splitting Vibhakti Tatpurusha Samasa. Before learning samasas, it is recommended to learn the usage of Karaka and Vibhakti so that you can easily understand the meaning of such samasas. While splitting Vibhakti Tatpurusha Samasas, you need Vibhaktis from Dvitiya to Saptami. You do not need Sambodhana Vibhakti. But what about Prathama Vibhakti? Tatpurusha Samasa, which needs to be split using Prathama Vibhakti, comes under the category Karmadharaya, which we are going to learn later. Let's see a few more examples of Vibhakti Tatpurusha Samasa. Sharanam agataha, Sharanagataha. Kalpanam atitam, कल्पनातीतं, रोगेण पीडितः रोगपीडितः, गुडेन युक्तं गुडयुक्तं, क्रीडायै वाटिका क्रीडावाटिका, घटाय मृत्तिका घटमृत्तिका, ऋणात् मुक्तः ऋणमुक्तः, सर्पात् भयं सर्पभयं, देवस्य पूजा देवपूजा, खगानां कुलं खगकुलं, युद्धे निपुणा युद्धनिपुणा, जले मग्नं जलमग्नं. While making Vibhakti Tatpurusha Samasa, you need to remove Vibhakti of the first component. After making Samasa, you need to treat the entire word as a single unit and use specific Linga, Vachana and Vibhakti of that whole word according to the context. For example, Ghataya Mrittika Ghatamrittika, Balika Ghatamrittikam Anayati, देवस्य पूजा देवपूजा, बालकः देवपूजां करोति. If the entire samasa word is an adjective, you need to use linga, vachana and vibhakti of that word according to the noun. For example, vrukshashritah purushah, vrukshashrita mahila, vrukshashritam vahanam. शाकयुक्तः उदनः, शाकयुक्ता रोटिका, शाकयुक्तं व्यञ्जनम्. जलमग्नः पाषाणः, जलमग्ना मूर्तिः, जलमग्नं मन्दिरम्. Let's keep it simple. While making Vibhakti Tatpurusha Samasa, remove the Vibhakti of the first component. And while using the Samasa word, treat it as a single unit. धन्यवादः. पुनर्मिलामः.